Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hefeweizen beer. Sanitize all equipment thoroughly before starting and keep a clean environment throughout the brew day. Begin with a wheat-forward grain bill and perform a single infusion mash at 148 degrees F to 152 degrees F for 60 minutes. Ferment with a traditional Hefeweizen yeast at 62 degrees F to 68 degrees F, and avoid heavy hopping to preserve yeast character and clarity. Gather simple ingredients: high-quality wheat malt, Pilsner or pale malt, and water with moderate hardness. Choose a Hefeweizen yeast known for banana and clove esters and avoid highly flocculent strains. Use noble or neutral hops sparingly to keep bitterness low and preserve yeast character. Measure OG and aim for the style's light body, then oxygenate wort gently before pitching yeast to support a healthy, controlled fermentation. Monitor fermentation closely and maintain steady temperatures between 62 degrees F and 68 degrees F to shape ester and phenol balance. Once activity slows, allow a full 2 weeks for primary fermentation and check gravity for consistency across 2 days. Cold condition for several days to help proteins settle and clarify the beer before packaging. Carbonate to a moderate level for a smooth, creamy head that complements the soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.